Boy, it is a quieter and cooler night in central Iowa right now compared to the warm, stormy afternoon we had. This is a live look from downtown Des Moines. Boy, isn't that a perfect sky on this beggar's night? You see the low clouds and above our beautiful city.
Yeah, it's pretty unbelievable to look at. Southern Iowa saw the brunt of the storm earlier. This is a time lapse of it hitting Lamoni. This was over the course of about 2.5 hours. You see the storm blow in, lots of rain falling and wind blowing there. And
all that rain caused street flooding in Urbandale. Take a look. This is at 99th Street and Parkside Circle. A car got stuck in the water, as you can see. City crews blocked off the road to prevent it from happening to other drivers.
And we heard hail was a possibility. It did fall. Travis Tompkins sent us this picture. Hail fell in Bedford and Taylor County. If you look real closely, you can see all of it there in the grass.
And Chief Meteorologist Jason Sudeiko tracked the storm tonight and prepared us days in advance for what was coming today.
Yeah, and Jason, I mean, it was bumpy for a little while. Thankful, though, that really the biggest thing we got from this was the rain that we needed.
Absolutely, we did. And I mean, yeah, we had a couple tornado warnings. Again, nothing that we've confirmed on the ground, but we do have some damage reports. In some of those east of Osceola, we had some buildings that were destroyed. You can see this. Rosalie Davis sent this in. And not a good situation there. Again, that building crumbled down. And we've thankfully had those storms pass us by now. We still have some showers left over from those, but the severe threat is well off to our east, and even the storms to the east have weakened quite a bit. So still dealing with those showers though, and as you get off to the east, still dealing with around 50-mile-per-hour winds for areas like Cedar Rapids. That storm weakening though, and we go a little bit further to the north, more rain from Waterloo up towards Decorah, and as we go further to the south, you can see those showers are continuing as well. There is a back edge though, and the metro's right on it, as well as Lamoni upwards towards Osceola, but quite a bit of rain fell. 1 3/4 inches nearly for the metro, just about the same for Sheridan, and nearly 2 inches for Lamoni. So heavy rain, and in some spots, you know, ponding and even some light flooding. So as we head into the remainder of your evening, things are going to be much quieter by tomorrow. Middle 40s is what we're waking up to, and those temperatures won't gain too much ground. We're at 51 by 3 p.m. Wind chills, yes, wind chills are going to be only in the low to mid 40s all day. So it's going to be cool, but warmer air is just around the corner.